Welcome to Stein Road. This is our next project from Devo Designs. We are going to be finishing off this beautiful home with a complimentary front landscape. The intention is to reuse some recycled products from the original house, which would be the old hardwood jetty. We're going to clad up a wall, nice feature wall, some matching stonework, as you can see the stone cladding behind me, and to finish it off with a combination of impact plants and some succulents. So our intention is to structurally fit out this wall so we can do a feature screen, and we're going to recycle this the hardwood from the jetty that these guys had to take down. A bit sentimental for the owners, so they're pretty impressed that we're going to try and reuse this in a herringbone pattern to make a permanent feature for them. Morning, Luke from Devo Designs back here at Saratoga job, and it's planting day. Beautiful overcast day, bit of rain earlier. We've got some beautiful plants to put in, and the feature tree being this big old Draco tree. I'm just going to get in today and dress it up, make it the highlight of the garden. And it's finally in, we got it in, big dragon tree. It's over a few decades old and hopefully it outlives all of us. We're planting up to about 250 plants in this front garden. Pretty heavily compacted, but we don't really want to see the ground. We've got a lot of grey rock visible, so we want to go lush and green and just have it complete. As soon as we're finished, that's it, final product. It'll look good instantly.
So we just got aloe vera here. We're just planting this as it's obviously effective. It matches in with the cousinets, the agaves, and the dragon tree here. It mixes in well with each other and very effective.
Hey, welcome back everyone. It's completion day here at Stein Road. The landscape's complete and all the plants are in, been growing well for a while now, and looking lush and green. As you know, we've got the big dragon tree in and it's looking very nice and healthy. Green, it's got some new shoots already, which is very exciting when you're transplanting a big tree like that. We've also got our ground covers are all starting to fuse together. The cousinet casuarinas, which when they all join together make a beautiful green carpet. The aloes are starting to come on. They've had a lot of rain, which has been a bit of a hindrance for them, but they've pushed through it and still looking pretty good. They're about to come into flower. The feature wall, as you can see, I was constructing that earlier, is looking amazing. We've also replicated the stonework of the house at the front letterbox with a column and a nice feature pot with a bit of a xeriscaped garden inside and some recycled front screening, also from the renovations that the owners did here.